chart visualizes a massive blind spot in enterprise security. More than 80% of all workers and nearly 90% of security professionals actively use unsanctioned AI tools to do their jobs. A decade ago, unauthorized cloud storage created risks simply by housing corporate files. Today's shadow AI tools go further. They actively process the data you feed them. When an employee inputs proprietary code or a sensitive customer list, those public models often retain the information to train their future software iterations. Organizations have lost visibility into their own workflows, unknowingly feeding their proprietary intelligence into public black box platforms. This diagram illustrates what happens when an employee pastes source code into a public chatbot. Data transfers without an audit trail. 77% of employees share sensitive information this way. 65% of leaks involve personally identifiable information, and 40% expose intellectual property. This uncontrolled data transfer triggers immediate violations of privacy frameworks like GDPR and HIPAA because there are no documented processing agreements or retention policies. The financial penalties are measurable. Organizations with high levels of unmanaged AI usage see data breach costs averaging $670,000 higher than those with strict policies. An employee's attempt to work faster at the desk level translates directly to six-figure compliance and breach liabilities for the enterprise. Traditional network monitoring and firewalls fail to catch this activity because the traffic masquerades as standard encrypted web browsing. The threat is escalating with agentic AI. These systems operate autonomously, reading emails and accessing files using the employee's own system permissions. Take OpenClaw, a highly popular open-source AI agent. Cisco's AI security research team explicitly labeled it a security nightmare. A Kaspersky audit found 512 vulnerabilities in the tool. Attackers use malicious community extensions and prompt injection to silently exfiltrate data from these agents, requiring zero human interaction or phishing clicks. The enterprise attack surface has shifted from external network hacking to internal, automated data surrender. Imposing blanket bans on AI fails. Nearly 50% of employees will continue using unapproved tools even after an explicit prohibition, pushing the risky behavior underground. Securing the workforce requires precise technical controls, applying data loss prevention directly to user prompts, and isolating all AI agents inside strict sandboxes. The final step is behavioral. Organizations must provide approved enterprise-grade AI alternatives to close the productivity gap. When one healthcare system replaced its AI ban with sanctioned tools, unauthorized use dropped 89%. Organizations need to stop fighting AI adoption. Treating AI governance as a mandatory employee service is the only reliable way to